In a world dominated by adventure giants where German precision has long set the standard, a new name dares to enter the arena. From the east, QJMotor with its bold new SRT 900SX. From the west, BMW with its legendary F900 GS Adventure. Two middleweight adventure machines, both with nearly identical power figures, but separated by philosophy, heritage, and price. This is not just a comparison. It's a clash of generations, a battle between tradition and ambition. Engine and performance, twin power rivalry. Both bikes share something intriguing, an almost identical displacement. The SRT 900SX is powered by an 896cc parallel twin, producing around 105 horsepower and 66 lb-ft of torque. It's quick off the line, with a strong mid-range punch that feels surprisingly refined for a relatively new brand. The BMW F900 GS Adventure, on the other hand, uses an 895cc twin, almost the same capacity, but tuned with years of experience behind it. It delivers 105 horsepower as well, but with smoother fueling, cleaner throttle transitions, and that signature BMW refinement. On twisty mountain roads, the SRT feels aggressive, eager, and slightly raw. The BMW feels composed, deliberate, and balanced. The difference isn't in numbers, it's in character. The BMW's ride-by-wire system offers several ride modes: rain, road, dynamic, letting you tailor power delivery, while the SRT 900SX counters with a single sporty mapping that's surprisingly intuitive, though a bit abrupt at low speed. Suspension, brakes, and handling. Control versus confidence. When you step into the world of adventure riding, suspension is everything, and QJMotor knew that. The SRT 900SX features KYB fully adjustable suspension, with 170 millimeters of travel up front and 160 millimeters at the rear. That's enough to handle rough trails, gravel, and long-distance touring. Add in Brembo brakes and Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires, and suddenly, this Chinese contender looks anything but cheap. But then, you swing your leg over the BMW F900 GS Adventure. You instantly feel the years of refinement that went into its chassis. It's equipped with dynamic ESA BMW semi-active suspension system that automatically adapts damping on the fly. Hit a bump, and it compensates. Dive into a corner, and it stiffens. You're not just riding, you're gliding. Off-road, the BMW's geometry shines: long wheelbase, 21-inch front wheel, and perfectly distributed weight balance. It feels stable, predictable, and incredibly composed. The QJMotor feels more compact and responsive, perfect for those who love a lively front end and a bit of unpredictability in their adventure ride. Ergonomics and comfort. Adventure bikes live and die by comfort. The SRT 900SX surprises here. A wide, plush seat, upright ergonomics, and a tall windscreen that deflects wind better than you'd expect. At highway speeds, it's stable and vibration is minimal thanks to dual counterbalancers. Even after a few hours in the saddle, it doesn't wear you down. The BMW, though, is on another level. The F900 GS Adventure comes with adjustable seat heights, a larger 23-liter tank, and ergonomics designed for all-day riding. The handlebar placement, foot peg position, and narrow waistline all scream built for endurance. For tall riders, the BMW feels natural, a true grand tourer on two wheels. For shorter riders, the SRT's slightly lower stance offers more confidence in the city and tight trails. Tech and features. This is where the QJMotor truly shocks people. You get a 7-inch full-color TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, heated grips, and even cornering ABS, all standard. It's the kind of equipment list you'd expect on a bike twice the price. BMW counters with its Connected Ride, TFT, one of the best interfaces in the industry. It includes navigation, music, calls, and customizable ride data with the signature BMW polish and fluid animations. Add in adaptive traction control, dynamic ESA, and optional quick shifter. It's a complete digital cockpit for explorers. Build quality, reliability, and heritage. Here's the elephant in the room: reliability. BMW has decades of proven reliability under its belt. The F900 GS Adventure inherits the DNA of the legendary F-Series, bikes that have circled the globe countless times. Every component feels solid, engineered, and premium. The QJMotor, meanwhile, is still new to the game. Its build quality has improved massively, especially since the Benelli partnership, but long-term reliability is still untested. Panels fit well, paint quality is good, but it lacks the tank-like feel of a BMW. Still, for a brand that's only been in the ADV scene for a short time, the SRT 900SX shows real potential. It's not a knockoff, it's a statement of intent. Price and value. Now, the moment of truth. The QJMotor SRT 900SX comes in at around $9,000, fully loaded. That's almost half the price of a similarly equipped BMW. The BMW F 900 GS Adventure, depending on configuration, starts near $14,000 to $15,000. And yet, many riders will gladly pay that premium for BMW's reputation, service network, and resale value. But here's the twist. QJMotor isn't trying to beat BMW. It's trying to democratize adventure riding, giving riders a taste of big ADV power without the big ADV price tag.